My name is Andrew Guerra, and I'm the general manager of the Ramble Hotel, located in the River North Art District in Denver, Colorado. The biggest operational challenges we faced prior to using Stayntouch would be the learning curve. Typically, training on PMSs takes a few weeks. Stayntouch, you can feel really good within a few hours and very confident within a few days. I also like how interactive the reporting is from Stayntouch. When you run a report, you can click on a guest name and actually go to their stay card versus just having a PDF report. Stayntouch has changed the way our team works day to day because of the efficiency it creates. It allows us to do the housekeeping boards very easily and set the day up for success with all of the information at our fingertips. It also helps us engage with the guest versus having tunnel vision and staring down at your computer where guests see the top of your head. An example of how Stayntouch has increased the guest experience will be with their loyalty tracking. We see the number of stays that every guest has had with us. We can upload pictures for VIPs or anything like that to really surprise and delight the guest. From an efficiency standpoint, for night audit, the robot reports are done instantly. There's no waiting a half an hour for the printer to keep on spooling. It's just all done electronically, instantaneously, and makes accounting happy. I would tell a hotel that's considering using Stayntouch that it is a time saver. It's as if Apple created a PMS. It is very user-friendly. It's easy to navigate, it's pleasing on the eye, it's colorful, it's very logical. Can't speak more highly about it.